All right, guys, welcome to another one. We're getting the truck loaded up. We got Willow, Ray, Katrina, myself. We're getting ready to go get Pops, and then we're going on a trip. We're gonna go down south, see if we can't do a little snagging, maybe some crappie fishing, cat fishing, a little bit of everything. So we'll see how this turns out. Maybe it'll be a few videos, maybe it'll all be one mashed up video. I don't know yet, but nonetheless, welcome to the start of the trip. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, well, we made it. It was a fun truck ride, a little over 4 hours, 4.5, somewhere in there. But nonetheless, we are to the little Airbnb that we're going to stay at. We're going to go check it out, get some situated, maybe unpack the truck and have lunch. And maybe we'll get ready to go start doing some fishing. So stay tuned, but we're here. He's working real hard. All right, guys, we got the truck unpacked, get everything kind of put away, and then gonna unpack the boat, get it all organized, and come up with a game plan for the day. So that's where we're at, just kind of checking out the place we're staying at. Everybody's getting their bags undone, unpacked. So we'll see you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, well, first spot, we're going down here to a little dock. Mainly just going to bottom fish, see if the channel cat blues are biting. I think we got a couple little lures we might throw out some while we're here, but mainly going to go see if we can get a couple decent small catfish. So see what happens.
Huh? What for did you pull that? Not very.
Hit bottom.
Huh?
Hit bottom. Oh, when it's chilly though. Oh, I forgot how to weight. Giant foot had 2 pound weight on it.
2 ounce. It's not pound.
2 ounce. Damn, buddy.
How big,
She
girl?
wants to, I think. They're only like $2 grabbing it.
Alright guys, well, we went out yesterday, tried to do some fishing, didn't succeed. So then we just came back to the little place and hung out, relaxed the rest of the evening, had dinner and went to bed basically. So nonetheless, it's next morning, 3 of the 4 of us are up, so we're gonna get ready to make some breakfast and come up with a game plan today.
No. He knew I was not coming to school. I was talking about on Friday to every teacher.
Yep. Alright, let's see if we can catch a fish before all the cameras die. The nice, cold, extremely windy day out here on the water tells me my cameras aren't going to last that long. But got night crawler for the bottom and little underspin hook that we'll put a trailer on here in a little bit. But everybody else is already out. Dad, Raylan, Katrina, they all got to pull out, so we're gonna work on getting ours out. Step over here so I don't catch a tree. Out there. Well, this morning's been a bust. Nothing. Had a few bites, but didn't catch anything. So, nonetheless, we're gonna run home. Probably figure out a few things. Pack a sandwich. Grab the boat. I think it's warm enough and the wind's died down enough. We can get the boat out. So, that's the plan now. Let's go get the boat in the water.
All right, guys. We didn't have much luck this morning. So we're gonna have some lunch, get some poles gathered up, got the boat charged, got some gear ready, and then we're gonna take the boat out and try to go snagging. Temperature's warmed up a little bit. It's supposed to be 70 today. So see what we can do. See you in a little bit.
All right, guys. Well, as you know, we ain't had any luck fishing off the banks yet, so got the boat out today. We're out here getting ready to do some rigging and maybe go do some snagging. So we're just kind of floating around, getting lines tied up now. So we'll be back shortly.
Get snagged.
Get yours real.
Fucking tree. Thought I was gonna. just like driving a car. Both help.
Okay, you might flip to the other side because I'm not going to go inward to the bank, you know what I mean? Here comes his wave, so hold on to them. Going to neutral for a moment. Yeah.
Not right on it, because if that pops off, that could come up and smack you right in the face. Like almost.
Did you lose it?
Huh? What was it, a fish?
No. If he'd still have it if it was a fish.
Was it Thad that caught that? Big time. Just let it sit for a second, then put it.
Well, so far still no fish, but we're eating good, so we're gonna mow down on dinner and come up with a game plan. Maybe go back out this evening or after dinner, see if we can't catch something off the bank. We'll see.
All right, guys, we're gonna go out and try to catch some crappie on the boat. So come along with us and see what we can catch.
I would love to go explore this.
I always only knew it as excavated. Wee bit breezy. Excuse me, good sir. You want to unhook me? Just back me off.
Yep, back out into the water.
Into the water.
Oh, you're using minnow. Okay. God, I guess I gotta use this too. I'm using minnow too. How'd you catch it?
Rather than scoot up here, make sure we don't go that way. Don't hit the motor unless you need it.
God.
I know, crazy, right? Watch out. I gotta measure it.
Okay, be alright.
They gotta be 9.
Yep.
Ouch.
Oh, man.
Yep, she's good. All right.
If it's under 9, you can't.
Number uno. Have you checked to see if you still have minnow?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Get this checked. Back to fishing.
That is over it. Yeah, that one's a little bigger than the other.
What are you running?
You know?
Big orange yellow head with a minnow.
I had a pink one.
Do you want me to measure that one? Or is it good?
It's good, but I'll put it on the tape anyways. Number 2.
I had a bite, but
You have to just kind of feel them and then set the hook on him every time you think, oh yeah, he's well over 9.
He's a big one.
Well,
There she goes.
yeah, there's my fish licks. Miss him? Alright. We are literally just, where are you at?
I'm right here.
Of course you are.
Oh, I got like,
You gotta learn to set the hook on it.
I know I got like a cap.
But we're just dragging minnows, looking for crappie this morning. We got 2 so far. Come on, Breeze. Don't do this to me.
Might be borderline. Moin. Can you put this over here? Or can you reach it?
I'll step over there and check it. Just kind of keep going forward, Ray, but watch the other boats.
I think you're alright at the moment.
This little guy might be close. Well, you can't just lean. Come here. Okay, you can't eat him though. Oh, he's good. Just shy to right around 10.
What was that bigger one?
I didn't measure. I made sure he just went over 10 and
I'll just have to make
throw him
when we
in.
get home.
Yep.
Curious how big he is.
Curious how much he weighs. He's a toad.
All right, Dad's on the board.
Big enough.
You have to hit him with the tape.
Oh, nice.
All right, well, it's gonna die, but Katrina's on the board now. We didn't get her reeling it in, but she's got her first one. There we go. All right, good job, love. It's all right. I bet that one's gonna make it. It's another like 11-incher. There you go, love. I mean, you can throw it on the tape, just no, but.
I don't know if that minnow's any good.
Well, I was like, I'm gonna eat it. I don't know if that was the plan, but
He's almost 11.
nice.
Could you eat it?
She was born that way though. Right?
All right,
We should probably put those up in the quick.
that's all right for now.
You get him, Ray?
Yeah, I got him.
All right, Ray, we doubled up.
Mine's not gonna make it.
Oh, he made it.
Hold on.
Make sure the tail's flat. Throw it back, buddy.
No.
Sorry.
Just to be safe.
Want to measure this one?
I want to measure it. Not too tight.
I got him. I got him.
That's some food.
I got him. And then you get finned.
Maybe down a little bit further.
You good?
Okay.
He's past
we're
it.
good.
This is a little bit nice.
I'm gonna need a minnow. All right, guys. Well, we're back at the cabin. We are. We ended up bringing 8 crappie home, but we ended up having a problem with the boat, so we had to try to get it back on the ramp. But we got it back, got it loaded up. Now we're gonna do some cleaning and fix the boat so we can get back out there. So we're back here. Get the power problem figured out, get them played, get back to fishing. All right, guys, well, bank fishing didn't go so hot. We tried, we had some bites, but never hooked up. So back at the cabin, frying up the crappie that we caught earlier, plus some chicken. Gonna enjoy dinner and come up with a game plan tomorrow. All right, guys, well, it's the last morning of fishing for our trip, so we're loaded up, we're heading to the ramp. We're mainly just gonna go trolling minnows again, see if we can't catch a pile of crappie before we head home. So that's the game plan. We'll see you when we get on the water. All right, guys, batteries are definitely gonna die fast this morning. It's getting cold. We got ducks all over us this morning, but it's like 37 out at the moment with a 9-mile-an-hour wind. It's a little brisk. We didn't really pack for brisk mornings, but nonetheless, we're gonna get out, get some fish caught hopefully. So entering the water now. Can you reach that and stay dry?
Huh?
Can you reach that and stay dry?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I watch the camera.
I do too, but we're gonna try. As annoying as that camera is, there's a few benefits.
Geese are around the bank waiting for people to come through.
Hello, seagulls. I have nothing for you.
See that boat yesterday?
Well, at
Take
least
out
we
the
got a
buoy.
fish. I don't think it's big enough,
Yeah.
but
That old couple with the high-rise
fish of the
one.
Yeah.
fuck with the motor here in a minute. We'll get this out.
See, I'm sorry. Is it really right at 9?
If he's right at 9, that's your call.
See?
His tail's all the way at the back, mouth shut. If he's over 9, throw him in there.
Oh no, his mouth shut. See?
Okay. Okay, can I have you go up front real quick? Yeah. I'm just gonna drive. The trolling motor is just not doing it this morning. We had trouble with it yesterday, still having trouble with it, so we're just gonna try to use a big motor and slow troll with it the best we can. Stay out of everybody else's way. You wanna come back in? You can just throw her out. I think you will be alright, if Dad. There we go. I got him. Hey,
You got a white.
what's the length on the whites?
There is it.
It's a crappie.
No, it's a white bass.
That's what I'm saying. If you go up in there,
Oh, I know.
I guarantee you're gonna knock the shit out of the whites.
I just didn't know if there was a length limit on the whites.
Nope.
Okay, I just
Sorry guys, I put that back in the truck. Oh, there ain't a
There
length
we
limit
go.
on. Doubled up on the
That's probably
crappies.
not gonna be the same right size.
Raylan, you have to just measure it, but I think it is. Just make sure the tape's flat. Okay?
Oh, my hand.
Make sure the tape's flat once you do it. I don't think he's gonna make it. Okay, I don't think he's gonna make it, but we need to turn that other camera on. All right, Ray's hooked up on one. There you go.
I'm hooked on your line.
No, it's fine, but it's fine. Get him on in the. Yeah, here we go. With the glove. It's called a glove. Yes, it's because
It's probably a theme.
people are.
Hey, buddy. What's that about?
Sucks to suck, doesn't it? Get smacked with poles and.
Smack you with a ball.
Yep, he's good. Can I have you live well?
You want your minnow?
Holy!
Huh? Doubled up a paw.
I didn't even know this was going off.
There you go, Pops.
There's your pole. You want to see how big he was?
You're bigger.
Your crappie?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Is your water? Okay.
Can you flip the lid over?
Go easy, buddy.
Yeah, you got.
There you go. Big old white bass. There you go. Yeah, you're fine. Okay, Ray, watch out. Dad's hooked up back there. Bringing in big old crappie. There you go.
Ain't big enough.
needs a minnow.
Oh, yeah.
Morning.
In the boat. You can send me crappie. We'll keep it in the boat. We hope this is a
That's a crappie.
Oh, that's good.
measure.
Sure.
Oh, shit. It's almost
13 and a half.
Yeah. Can we take pictures? Yeah.
Borderline. You have to measure him, but I don't think so.
You gotta measure them both.
I know.
Got them?
Nope.
You want what?
Don't worry about casting back out. Just get him measured.
There's a hit or not.
That, I think it beats it.
Can you get it? Keeper. Dad's hooked up again. Big old slab. There.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh.
That's a monster, huh?
Big
Nope.
monster.
You caught my baby.
There's a front thing. It should
Ooh.
be
You went right under the boat.
I need me a minnow when you get a moment.
Yeah, you did.
good. That is. He got lost. No, he's still here.
There we go. Ray. Ray. Raylan.
What?
Don't touch line. When you go to grab somebody else's line, that's the easiest way to pop the hook off or rip it. Okay? I know all you're trying to do is help. I get that, but don't do it like that. Not on this line. Okay? Katrina's got, oh, even smaller. Catch and release. Nice job, Paul. Alright. Not a monster, but see what she's got. Is it a keeper? We shall see. It's gonna be under, but yeah. Huh, another little crappie.
Died had to be.
I don't think it was like a white-headed jig.
I got another one.
Yeah, that was the first one I got since.
Yep, he's good. Yeah, I know, we're trolling towards the exit, right?
Don't leave an hour.
She could get the boat loaded and get back to the house.
That's what it said. We only have an hour to do
All right, guys, we're heading to the ramp. We gotta get back to the cabin, finish packing. So we'll see you there.
Do the big one.
No, I'm gonna do the white bass first.
Oh yeah. Did you separate them?
Alright, guys. We're getting ready to head out. We had a good time. Braylon, what was your favorite part of your trip?
Probably crappie fishing.
Crappie fishing. We caught a lot of crappie. Mark, what was your favorite part of the trip? Catching crappie.
Being out of town.
Yes, our favorite probably was being out of town. It was a good time. We'll be back. Willow, did you have a good time? Willow. Willow. Hello. She's watching Dad, so. All right.